Hello everybody, I want to share my hair transplant journey. Before I do the hair transplant, I really no confidence. After this, I feel really happy with the result. I would like to share today my age is 27. Before I do the hair transplant, as you can see before the SMART FUE technique, the 9 months ago, my hair is less and my forehead is high. After the 9 months, this is my result. As you can see, my hair grow thicker and my forehead look natural. My friend, even my family also is very satisfied with this result. It looks very natural, and I really satisfied that the Glojas hair transplant provide a very professional service, and I highly recommend for it.